Here I have team leaders for business community within the vicinity of Gulu University, and I also equally have other leaders of the students of Gulu University. It is now 2 weeks that we experience electricity blackout at our vicinity, Gulu University, and we have been trying to communicate with the office of the UEDCL. We have been physically going to their offices, and recently this morning the communication, the words they gave us is that they do not have the necessary logistic for now. And as we all know, Gulu University is located at the heart of northern Uganda and is one of the biggest universities, not only in northern Uganda but in the country. And we have realized that UEDCL has taken our patience for granted, but as people who are schooled, we decided to take a very meaningful yet dialogue means. And this morning we are privileged to report that we have petitioned the office of the president through his representative, the resident city commissioner, and we have a copy of our petition. In this petition we outline the very impact of this lack of electricity and also the laxity of UEDCL as far as their response is concerned. Among other things that we must let our community of Gulu University be aware of is that students are no longer reading or revising their books. They are no longer charging their educational gadgets, materials like laptops, phones. They do not now take time to do research because of the deadness of such gadgets as far as power is concerned, and the insecurity within the hostels have increased, where some of our students are now being attacked because of darkness. We have also learned with pain that some of hostels rely on electricity to pump their water, and for that matter the hygiene is now wanting in the various hostels. The cost of printing the academic materials have not only doubled but multiplied by 3 or even more. We have also learned that some of the courses demand that students submit their weekly journals or coursework, and for that matter they are constrained as far as research is concerned. But what about being smart? They can no longer iron their clothes, and this is very unfortunate. Some of our students are also doing businesses to support their tuition. They do ice cream business, they do juice business and printing, and for that matter they are at a standstill. Our colleagues, our parents in the business fraternity who do their business for their livelihoods but also to support a number of us at school can no longer even say a word. Hostels, restaurants and any other business within the university facility is completely at a standstill. It is therefore our privilege that we have petitioned the office of the RCC, and we have given an ultimatum to UEDCL until the 15th, that is Monday. Next Monday we shall be patient. We have been patient for the last 2 weeks, and by Monday, if our petition, our humble request, our humble prayer is not taken in consideration, it will leave us with no any other option than to display publicly our grievances to the relevant ministry in this country and to the government. I am very sure government does not want to hear anything to do with such blackout of electricity. But why would it come? We think we are being reminded of how Meme treated us. We think we are being reminded of how this region has suffered as far as such blackout and load shedding is concerned. And we feel that this is coming as a result of laxity of this very agency. Thank you very much.
Let them shut up. Because why they make life difficult for me? Let them give the telephone contact of a responsible person to give a reasonable answer. Okay, thank you.
Generator tika wango machines mamaigwa so watika nongo losses ma isaida rio generator tika balo jami maj bene pere business pere landlord bene ki kanyo peka niang so pepa maj enene betika miyo yom chwin boro wanlo tembia chara nen kile wich ka university madit enene tie kilo bara met transforming community and of the community any don't tika suffering loyo punya peyom biashara no dokchen wore mukene biashara bu dokchen jo magetimu welding jo magetimu juice jo magetimu popcorn jo magetimu ice cream business modon paquet in peramu running business me ice cream ki juice ki generator peramu tor business mukene ki generator well mo ke kan be no don tigango generator chamu mo and kay comparing cost me generator ka bale ben kanyu weng fuda yela donc lega na madit total teni ka company eni manyane ne yaro mu teach ginonge wa yo mo me wek machu dugi wa dore biachara bene weng peyot dine ke kan no assessment ma akibot you RA ma assessment eni kitimu mwaka ke mwaka ka donc pa chena ka no pa kwanyo chanda mio bot you RA mutual assessment kama pere atiu chanda ke kwane ageni loka maduong pare logo man pero bana ke loguna afoy
Yang ini